In this Apple Notes video, I'm going to walk you through 10 tips that I use. Tip number 1 is to create checklists. With your note open and ready to type, just place your cursor before the first line of text and tap the checklist button. You can do that for each of the 10 items here. Once you've made your checklist, as you complete each item on it, you can tap the circle in front of each item to mark it as complete. Tip number 2, you can pin your most important note. Just long press, hold on the note, and you've got the pin note option. It moves the note into a new category labeled pinned. If you switch to list view, you can swipe left, swipe right to see the pin icon. Just tap on it and it will pin your note. If you want to remove a pinned note, swipe right one more time and tap unpin. The note will return to where it was in your list or gallery. Tip number 3 is organize notes with folders by creating categories to keep everything neat and easier to find. Open up the Notes app. You will see Gallery View or List View. I like Gallery View. Tap the left arrow. This is an empty folder I've already created. I'm going to take all my video scripts and move them to this folder. To organize your notes, go ahead and tap on Notes. Tap the 3 dots, tap Select Notes. Select the notes that you want to move. Along the bottom, you've got 3 options: Move, Tags, and Delete. Tap on Move. Select the folder that you want to move your notes to, and all of those notes have been moved to that particular folder. Tap the left arrow, tap the folder you chose, and there you will see all of your notes. Tip number 4 is copy and paste text into notes.
Just tap Select and move the selection handle so that one line of text is selected. Then tap on Cut. This will remove the line from its current position. Place your cursor where you want to put the text, long press till you see these options, and tap on Paste, and then tap Copy.
Tip number 5 is to add photos and screenshots directly to a note. Tap New Note. Then, once you have a blank note, go ahead and tap the paperclip icon. You can take a photo and then tap on Use Photo, and it will be added directly to the note. You can choose a photo that you've already taken, tap on the check mark, and then it will be added to the note. Tip number 6, switch between Gallery and List View. This is Gallery View. To switch between Gallery View and List View, tap on the 3 dots. If you're in Gallery View, you will see View as List. If you are in List View, you will see View as Gallery. Tip number 7 is to lock private notes with Face ID or password, so only you can open important or personal notes. To lock a note, tap the 3 dots in the menu and press Lock. In order to lock a note, you have to use Face ID. You can tap the lock icon to lock the note. Tap the lock icon to lock a note. If your camera can see your face, the note will lock. To open a locked note, tap on View Note. If you are looking at your phone, the note will automatically open. If your camera cannot see your face, you'll be prompted to enter a password or passcode, and then the note will unlock and you can view the contents. Tip number 8 is to use the search features to quickly find notes, words, or even text inside scanned documents and photos, instead of searching for things manually. To find text inside a note, just tap the 3 dots and tap Find in Notes. Find Apple Notes. Here you can see the phrase Apple Notes has been located. If we go up, it's also in the title. You can go up or down by tapping these arrow buttons to move through the note. Each instance of the phrase will be highlighted. That was the last one. When you're done, tap on the check mark. Tip number 9 is turn on lines and grids. Here's the search result from the last tip. As you can see, it's just some text in a blank note. To turn on lines and grids, tap the 3 dots to get the menu and tap lines and grids at the bottom. Then choose the lines or grids that you want. The lines or grids will appear in the note. Tip number 10 is to open up existing or recent notes. To open up a recent note, tap the 3 dots and tap Recent Notes. And select the note you want to open. If the note is locked, you'll have to tap on View Note. But if it's not, the note will just open up. Once you see the note, you can make changes, and those changes will be saved to the note.